Hi everyone, it's Mandy M.A.C. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, a haul of makeup and skincare products. Estee Lauder, M.A.C, Smashbox, Clinique. I went to this warehouse sale and let's just say I should be banned because I bought way too much and I don't have that money. But if you subscribe, maybe one day I'll get there and I won't have to worry. See what I did there? Anyways, so we're gonna get right into it. That's it. First product is going to be from Clinique. It's a cute little bag with cherries and it comes with products inside. You know what? I can open it now that it's mine. I have a little eyeshadow. Oh, I dropped the brush. Eyeshadow, a little perfume. Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. Yes. Have a lipstick. It's pretty. Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Dry to combination skin. Okay. And Clinique High Impact Mascara. The brush, and it's in black. So I got that. That goes in a cute little bag. Then we have, honestly guys, a whole bag. We have an Estee Lauder Perfecting Loose Powder. And it's just a translucent powder. Goes like that. Then I got a foundation, Clinique Even Better Glow, and it's in the shade Classic Ivory. Then, what else do we got? We got Smashbox X-Rated Mascara. This is what the tube looks like. Applicator. Oops. Whoops. You got a complimentary gift for just going. So you give your ticket at the end and you get a M.A.C Technical Liner. And it's in the shade Sourpuss. Now, it's not my favorite shade out there. But you know what? Still, it'll be fun to play with. I just want to swatch it. Okay. Not terrible. So we have that M.A.C liner. Then we got Smashbox primer water. It's a nice charged water so you can prime your skin. Love it, love it. It's good to keep on hand. Got a matte lipstick. It is Sweet Venom. This color is, I'm sorry, pretty. Nice pink. Then we have, I got another Clinique foundation. So I got two of them, just different shades for when I'm tan, not tanned. One with the boyfriend, so we got two makeup green pencils. Then I got another Clinique foundation. It is called, it won't focus, it's called Super Balanced Makeup. I Googled before I went what the best foundations were for dry skin, and this one and the Extra Glow one were apparently good. We'll try it out. Then I went on the Sunday as well to the shopping, which I shouldn't have, but the gift on Sunday was an Estee Lauder Double Wear Eyebrow Pencil in the shade black, or yeah, black. So it comes, it's double-ended, and on one end you have like an actual black eyeliner pencil. It just twists up and down, and on the other end you have a highlight. So that's kind of cool because again, like these are literally just for coming. So that was exciting. And then I got a MAC lip gloss. It's called Extra Amps. It's like a nice shiny gloss. Usual MAC cake smell. Oh my gosh, amazing. Then I got a mascara by Estee Lauder. This one I screwed up on. I had sent someone to go and get it and they gave them the wrong product, but I didn't notice until I was out. So literally I am stuck with a blue as mascara. So that'll be exciting for another video. There's that. Then we have Love Beam by MAC. Ooh, I like the tube. And this is the color. Super nice. Kind of like the one I'm wearing now, which is Crimson Cat by Katy Perry. Then we have Fashion Tide, another MAC lipstick, and there's pink. Did I do this one? No, yeah, it's Fashion Tide. Then I got Estee Lauder New Dimension Sculpt and Glow Mask. This was $4. Smells amazing. I cannot wait to use it. And I got 2 travel size mascaras, Estee Lauder, or is it Estee? Yes, the Estee Edit. And these as well were $4. So you have a double-ended mascara, it's one side, and then kind of like a different applicator on the other. Amazing. And again, for $4, can you go wrong? So I scooped up a couple of those. Then I got Clinique Chubby Lash. I love this one. This is by far like one of my favorite because of the brush. If you saw how long it gets my eyelashes, I'll show you in another video. It's actually wild. Next we have a Clinique Lid Pop. It is Petal Pop. That's the color. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, like the packaging alone is stunning. So that's it. Give it a little swatchy-watchy. Pretty pink. Definitely love it. And then we have a MAC pigment. I love MAC's pigment. I have like gold, I have greens, I have rose gold, and I got a silver one. Now the only thing about them is they are such a mess, so I'm not swatching that. Nice try. But it's beautiful. We have one more mascara, Smashbox. Show you. Packaging is kind of nice because it has like a velvet top. That's the end applicator. Again, these are all like, this is for thickness and that's what I want because I naturally have long lashes. And last but not least, we have Time to Shine, which is a MAC lipstick. And this color, let me tell you, real, serving like real alien vibes. Like where's Jeffree Star's palette? It's actually a really nice color on, but you gotta have the right look with it. And obviously it's pretty out there, so yeah. Oh, and I have one more. 2 more? No, I have one more. I got a MAC pressed powder, face powder. I am gonna be doing a giveaway, so a lucky subscriber will get a MAC pressed powder. It is called, I think, Trophy. It's valued at $34. I have a couple of them, but all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below your favorite makeup product. If you are not into makeup, comment your favorite product, whether it's hair, whether it's clothes, whether you gotta have something that you like, that you do to yourself that you love. So comment down below, subscribe, like, and comment. and you'll be entered to win. The giveaway will close on December 12th, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, mandy.e.mac. My Twitter is at mandyemac. Hit me up, follow me, I'll follow back. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more makeup hauls or unboxings. This makeup was so exciting to get, and I can't wait to try it out. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and taking the time to even watch this. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.